Hello. Have you ever uploaded a video to YouTube and noticed that the quality isn't what you expected? This often happens because of the compression YouTube applies when uploading. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the option for uploading videos in full quality on YouTube, so your videos are uploaded exactly as you recorded them, without losing any details or clarity. So let's start. First, go to your home screen, find the App Store or Google Play Store app and open it. Then, search for the YouTube app and check if an update is required. If it is, you'll see a blue Update button. Tap it to update the app. If your app is already updated to the latest version, you'll see an Open button. Once that's done, tap the Open button to launch the YouTube app. When you're in YouTube, the next step is to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Right after you do that, the next step is to tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see many options. Scroll down and under the Audio and Video Preferences section, find the Upload section and tap on it to open it. Next, in this section, select the Upload Quality option. And at the very end, you'll see several resolution options, including full quality. If you want your videos to be uploaded in the best possible quality, make sure to select this option. Once you select it, your videos will be uploaded in full resolution without losing quality, whether they're in 1080p, 1440p, or even 4K. And that's all for this video, friends. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.